Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to IT Snippets. Today I'm actually going to show you how to create an overhead camera view for unboxings and tutorials. So today I've went out and I've purchased some items that will allow me to create an overhead camera view. If any of you have seen my Mac Mini video where I'm upgrading the drives to a drive doubler and adding an SSD to my Mac Mini, it was a bit of a nightmare because my hands kept getting in the way of my camera, which was sitting over here. So as a result, I thought the best way to do it is try and do a cheap overhead setup. Now in order to do this, I purchased a microphone boom arm, which I'll place a link to here on screen. That comes in three pieces. We've got the G-clamp that clamps it to the desk and the pin that holds it in. So let's put that together just now, first of all. Just slide the clamp over one end and then tighten this screw. And here you can see there's an end which is a microphone adapter for it. That's where we'll be mounting our camera. So we'll place that down just now. And I've purchased a microphone adapter to tripod adapter mount. This will allow us to actually place the camera on the stand. And I've also got a mobile phone mount. Now this is a higher end one than you can spec out for. This one came with my selfie stick, but you can purchase these in Pound World here, so presumably you get them in Dollar Tree in America. Not quite the same quality as this, but more springy, and they were only £1 or $1. So let's put this together then, shall we? This part obviously just clips over your desk, so you fold it out like so. Place it over your desk where you like it, and then tighten the arm. Now I already have one of these clamps, but the previous mounting system, the way of turning it was literally just a clip, and it broke the first time I used it, to the extent where I now have to use a screwdriver to tighten it. But that's just for the time being, because this is just to set it up initially. That's fine. We then take the mount for the camera and attach that to this end. Okay. And we then take our mount for our phone. Place that on here. You should probably do this without your phone in it, obviously, but hey, nobody ever said I was that intelligent. Okay, so there we go. So now I'll have to put something on there for us to record. So I'll place that one here, and I'll turn the camera on in my phone. Okay, let it focus, try and bring it over. Okay, I'll have to change the settings because I don't want it to be, I want it to be 1080p, but I don't actually want it to be in portrait mode. So that's not perfect because I've not quite got it straight. But that's not bad. So what I'll do is I'll click record, camera, and I'll clap so I can synchronize the audio in post. And then I'll open my iFixit toolkit, take out my driver set, move that to the side, open up my driver set. Take out my driver, take out my extension, place it on, just lift it closer to the camera and show that I can click on it to focus. It's not wanting to focus, possibly because this autofocus was on. Okay. This obviously being an older camera probably isn't the best thing to do for it. The best thing to use for it rather. However, we have that variation. Making sure we put that away. in here. So that was done on my mobile phone. But obviously one of the benefits of this being a standard tripod mount is that I can also use a point and shoot. As long as the camera is light, it shouldn't be a problem. So let's just try it with a point and shoot, shall we? As easy, that point and shoot is the one that I normally try and shoot additional angles with. So I could even have the camera here, my main camera over here, and obviously one overhead. There's probably easier ways to put these on. Okay. So let's turn the camera on. Switch to video mode. Okay. Again, I'm going to have to adjust this because it's different. Right. Oh, part of that's recording already. Awesome sauce. So, to synchronize, move this in here. I basically do the same thing. Hopefully the difference is that this should autofocus easier. It's just an extension. It's that in here. If I bring this up, it should autofocus. Possibly not that in there. Come on. There we go. So it's not perfect, it's a little slower, but that shows you that it can also be done with the point and shoot. I've also just realised that this has been dangling the whole time. Oh well. So I'm going to turn my camera off, and I will now go and synchronise these when editing it in post. So this entire setup is only about $15-ish, 15-ish pounds in the UK. So it's not the worst thing in the world to actually do, it's actually reasonably affordable. And again, if you want one in the corner, one over here, that's up to you. The only main limits your cameras. You can pick up a 4K camera like this, which I've reviewed before, for like £40, which will do the job. Or even for about £20, you can go cheap 1080p's. Yeah, it's entirely up to you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you dislike this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.